Hello folks, join us on a wee trip to Glasgow's Christmas Market. We've been here a couple of years now and we want to check out if there are any changes and just see what's going on, so join us on a wee trip. So there are two Christmas markets in Glasgow. One, there's like the smaller one at St Enoch and we'll be going there first, and then there's the main one at George Square, which is a bit bigger. So we'll go to St Enoch first, just because it's closer, and then we'll walk via Buchanan Street to George Square.
It's quite nice being in the, like, when it's dark.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's like, it's get dark early now, but it's nice when it's dry. It's quite cold today.
Yeah, exactly.
But look at the lights.
Yeah. I hope you can see it, like they've got like some lovely lights there. Is that the Barclays?
That's the Barclays building.
Oh right, all in blue. Could have guessed.
This hasn't been used.
The Virgin Hotel.
Yeah, Virgin Hotel. It was just finished. It opened.
I know.
And then I don't know. It's shut.
It's shut, but it looks like it's
but
open.
It's always on. Like the lights are always on.
Yeah. Right, can you see it? It's always on, so no clue what's going on there.
Because
if you know, please comment below. We're quite curious because every time we walk by, we don't know what's happening.
And remember, I can't remember when it was over a year ago, where they had there was like a lot of people, like influencers, I guess they were.
Yeah,
for like the media.
For like the media, yeah. Anyway, we're turning right here. If you have watched the mural trail video, then you will know this road or the street because one of the murals was here. Do you think we'll be going up there today, on that today?
No, I don't think so.
No rides for us?
No, I don't think so. I think part of the fear of those rides is it been put together well enough?
Oh, aye.
You can hear it clinking.
Ian, it will have been put together well enough, 100%. I'm curious to see how many people are actually going to be here. Because it's a Tuesday today, and normally there shouldn't be that many people, which we're hoping for to film. But yeah, you never know.
We came here, was it a couple of years ago, like just when everything was still was open with COVID,
yeah.
And it was absolutely packed. You were literally shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah, I think that was like the year when it was like open again.
It was the first open, yeah.
The first open, yeah, and it was absolutely mobbed.
So we're going to go in the top end and then work our way down and come back up.
We're going to walk to the top just so that you guys can see the entrance. And then we'll walk down here and then we'll go back up again Buchanan Street. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. It looks a bit better at night, doesn't it?
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. So this is the first, when you come in, this is the entrance basically. No, well, just before the entrance, you've got this German sausage stand. £8 for a German bratwurst.
£8?
Is that like a bratwurst in sauce?
It must be in a roll.
Anyway, so this is where the stall is, the German stall, and then when you turn around here, we've got the entrance, and it's they're pretty clever, I would say, because it's Winterfest or Winterfest.
Yeah. Meaning
that technically they can start pretty early.
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Well, when did it start? Maybe 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago. I thought it was pretty early.
But is that not how it usually is for like Christmas market?
Is it? course, the kids' entertainment. But what I really like is that they've got something for every age.
Have they?
Yeah, well,
So
they've
it's a
got
drink
like
for the
something for
adults?
like no, for younger kids, and then the thing that takes it up high.
£6
What
to
for?
go on that.
On the
On that, the Starflyer it's called.
oh, the
£6.
Starflyer.
I don't know. Like I just assume everything's expensive, but
But that's okay. I don't. Why does it seem okay to me?
don't know. Suppose you get paid the big bucks.
No, I don't. Wish I was. And then they actually that's like House of Horror or not?
Yeah, yeah.
And then they made it into a Grinch. The seats don't really match.
No, because like the thing's like a web as well. See it? See it? It's like web.
Oh yeah, there. So yeah, that was it already. As I said, it's a smaller Christmas market, and it feels a little bit. It's a mix of like the traditional Christmas market, as I like know it from Germany, and a bit of a fun fair.
Yeah. Was
I think that's just like the I want to say style, but like when we went to Edinburgh, it's quite similar.
yeah. The thing is, I think it's a lot smaller than what it was previously. I think there was a lot more stands before.
I thought there was more, but I wonder how much it actually costs to have one.
Maybe it's too expensive, yeah.
That is the Christmas market there, and the bus is just driving through. You still.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
Look at
actually.
that,
That's
the
pretty
reindeer
cool.
at St Enoch.
Yeah.
Wow. And then when you turn around, you walk up Buchanan Street and the lights are absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, they are quite nice. That's probably the one good thing about this being pedestrianised,
Yeah.
is that you can kind of, there's a lot of nice like lights and
Yeah, you
the
can
sort of
really
thing.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
And what I like as well is that there are many restaurants that have Christmas decorations up.
Yeah, yeah.
And like, not just like small stuff, it's like the full blast basically.
Yeah.
Shall we go in real quick into Princess Square? I think they've got some lovely
Have they?
decorations.
Well, let's have a wee look and see. You always forget how big it is in here.
Yeah, because it's so hidden away, tucked away behind Buchanan Street.
I always feel like it's so easy to get lost in here as well.
It's always difficult to get
You
out
go
of
far.
here. Yeah. So what I was going to say was, we were speaking about prices before we went into Princess Square. We noticed even at that small Christmas market, we checked it out at lunchtime during our lunch break, and we noticed a difference in prices quite a bit. There was one stall, there was this one stall where it's like a beer halle
Yeah.
kind of, and there was £7 for a mulled wine.
Yeah.
And then next to it, there was this like small stall where they only charged a £5.
Yeah.
And I'm like, how can it be such a huge difference?
I don't understand, yeah. The Ivies is kind of disappointing.
What
Don't
did
you think?
they last year they had much more.
They usually have quite a nice display, but
What's
it's a
up,
bit
Daddy?
disappointing.
Maybe they're on a budget.
Budget Christmas.
Budget Christmas, huh? And then at St Vincent Street, we'll turn right
Yeah, but
Shall
we'll
we-
go to the other side.
Yeah, we'll go on to the other side.
This street's a nice street anyway, I think. Like,
The St Enoch,
St.
St Vincent, yeah.
yeah. But I think like.
You mean because of the restaurants?
Well, the buildings are nice.
Oh right, yeah. Well, that's true.
Like St Vincent Street all the way up has some really nice buildings.
That's true. And now we're nearly at George Square. But out of all restaurants, the best one must be the one to my right. I mean, look at that.
terms of
They even have
decorations?
like the wee houses. And I said to Ian, I think they change it every single year.
Yeah, it looks different.
Glasgow Queen Street Station is over there. Wetherspoons, George Square.
I still don't know how they managed to get people to go on that.
I know, I would never ever do that. At the St Enoch one.
That isn't.
And wait,
This one.
is that the same one?
Oh, this is bigger.
Oh yeah, I thought so.
I think this. I don't know.
Is it just like it takes you up and then just like?
No, I think it goes up and it spins.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, poor souls. I could not do that. And then
Is that like a karaoke?
right,
Oh, it's a
yeah,
bar?
right. There's like a bar. Do you want to go in?
Do you want to go in?
It will be too.
They're playing like loud. There's somebody singing though. It's like live music though.
Right. £9 for a mac and cheese.
Is that something that they have in Germany quite often?
Yeah. Well, no, I'm saying yes. No, not really. Oh.
There's one. They're
remember.
always kind of smaller ones. There's one in Vienna
Yeah, but that is like always there, the platter.
because we've been watching Vienna Christmas Markets.
Yeah, because we'll be going there in 23 days. Not that I'm counting.
So it feels like it's all the same kind of stuff.
It is. Like, we've had the fudge there as well. We've seen the bobble waffles. Have you seen the prices for them?
It said freshly made funnel cakes, but it looks like a waffle.
Oh, they haven't lit up. Oh, they haven't lit up
The
the
tree, yeah. On the
tree.
lane, yeah.
But that's maybe just for the weekends. It is beautiful though. Like, you've got the Ferris wheel, you've got the, I don't know how to call it. It doesn't look very Christmassy if you see it like that, but, and then of course that looks beautiful.
The city chambers, isn't it?
Yeah. Did you know that there was more marble in the city chambers than in the Vatican?
Really? In this city chambers?
Yeah, Glasgow city chambers.
There
yeah.
was. Or there
No,
is.
it is.
Uh,
Oh, it's in the whole of Glasgow. I'll check that one up for you. They've got mini Dutch pancakes
Yeah.
for €8.
Oh, £8.
£8.
We're in Britain.
I'm really sorry. Like, I know I've been saying euros, and of course the Bratwurst stall has to be there as well. Oh, crumble seems to be a new thing, no?
Oh yeah.
They've got crumble over there. But I've seen, like, for the very first time in my life at a Christmas market, Yorkshire pudding wraps. I had not seen that before.
They've done it. I seen it in Edinburgh. I think.
Yeah, we
And then
saw it in
Did they do
Edinburgh.
it here last year as well? It was pretty dear though, wasn't it?
How much was it? Wasn't it like £13 or something? Oh no, it wasn't. It's only a tenner.
Only a tenner?
Oh, and here's the ice. This is the ice rink.
Oh yeah, yeah. It doesn't seem like it's open yet.
No. So I wonder, it's the same maybe with the Christmas lights, the reindeers, if they only, like the Winterfest is already open, but not everything to its full extent and they may just like start on the 1st of December.
It looks like it's all made up.
It's all
already.
made up and it's all like there.
All the skates.
But to be honest, it wouldn't make sense like to have it now.
Do you even get the lights on?
Fun? I know. They probably, once everything is on, they have to like switch that on automatically. Shall we walk? What about giving you guys a wee view from the top? What about walking up just like a bit? But I think what makes Glasgow and Edinburgh, particularly Edinburgh Christmas Market special, is like the setting.
Yeah.
You know, we've got the Edinburgh Castle. It's just like nice. And then here, I would say it's still really nice. Not still, it is beautiful.
No, I think you're right. I think the setting makes a big difference.
Yeah.
That's why I think the St Enoch one's probably not as nice.
Yeah, maybe. I prefer, personally, I prefer this one. Let us know, by the way, if you've been to the Edinburgh Christmas Market this year, or if you've been to the Glasgow one. We haven't been to Edinburgh.
No.
Not sure if we will go.
I don't think so.
Just because when we go to Austria and Hungary, we'll be hitting the Christmas markets quite a bit, and that will be our annual dose of Christmas markets.
Yeah.
And also, I would like to know, like, is there a favourite Christmas market that you have in the UK? Because maybe next year we could check it out.
Yeah, because we've not been to any other than really.
Exactly, and we don't have a
Glasgow and
reference point. So maybe you guys will say, Joanna, forget about Glasgow, forget about Edinburgh, go here. Let us know. So we got to see the Christmas market a bit from, I want to say from the top, but if we had walked further up,
higher.
you wouldn't have seen that much more, I don't
Yeah.
think, right? But you got a wee glimpse of how many lights there actually are. Anyway guys, thanks so much for joining us on our wee trip to the Glasgow Christmas Markets. If you've enjoyed this video, why not like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.